How to delete transaction history in Gcash. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can delete transaction history in Gcash. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. Currently, Gcash does not offer the direct option to delete or clear your transaction history within the application. It's because your transaction history is maintained for your reference and is a record of all your financial activities, including payments, transfers, and load purchases. So, in order to clear or delete your transaction history, you can contact to Gcash support. If you have a specific issue with certain transaction or need to address the privacy concerns, you can contact Gcash customer support through the help center in the application or via their official social media channels or their official websites. After that, you can explain your situation and inquire if they can assist in removing sensitive and unwanted transaction data. Or if you're concerned about your transaction history and want to completely start a fresh account, then you can choose to deactivate or delete your Gcash account by contacting to the customer support. And once your account is deactivated, you can open a new Gcash account, but you will lose all the past transaction and your account data. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.